Right, welcome. Today I'll be backtesting Solana where I left off. So I won't be diving into the trading terminology and concepts that I use. If that's something you're interested in, definitely do let me know. But for now, I'll just be backtesting and thinking out loud. So to see what trading really is like, because in my opinion, trading is mostly just backtesting, and the actual trading is just a result of all the hard work you do beforehand, which is this. So we've been on a good streak in this little session. Let's have a little zoom out. I'm going to remove this. This was just to show that that has been a very reactive level in the past. And so it will remain to be in the future. We've closed through this level. However, we're trading within this swing and we've just been aggregating. We closed here, which means we are going here. We went down to get more liquidity, filled both of these levels, which were the last levels in the swing. So we should be good to go. But as I always say, at every candle, we're very confident. So here, when this close happened, I said, we are going here, but it doesn't mean it happens immediately. And once we closed here, I looked for a short to go here. Didn't get an entry. Then we closed here, which tells us we're going here. Looked for a short, went there, filled this level, reversed. So we took a long, going to this level. Then again, I took a long here, which was a stop. And when that happened, so we reversed this candle, which is the LGCR in my terminology. It's not my terminology. I learned most of what I know from Trader XB. Go check him out if he's still, I don't know if he's still active actually. Let's see, was that tested by the level? No, so that's just second close. That tells us we're going lower to, I think there's some liquidity there, yes. Yeah, so I learned most of the concepts from Trader XB. I'm very grateful that at one day he decided to share his knowledge. And yeah, he taught his concepts, but the biggest thing I learned from him is mindset, and that trading is incredibly personal. So if you want to learn to trade, do not follow the system that I trade, but learn concepts from someone, because trading is very unique to each person. You have to understand the chart in the way that your brain can comprehend it. And as we're all, we're 8 billion different people on this planet, so there could be 8 billion unique perspectives on each chart. And what I like about trading is you can put 10 people in front of the chart, and at one given time, every 10 of them could have a different understanding and a different kind of trade. One could even long, one could short, but they could all be profitable if they're all professional traders. And so that tells you enough about trading. So do not copy trade someone if you want to do it yourself, but learn the concepts and form your own understanding. Test that system with data, which is what I'm doing here, and then link that to a risk management system, and that will tell you if you will be profitable or not over the long term. And this is a long-term game. It's a marathon, not a sprint. All right. That was my beginning rant. So let's move on. We closed through here, which tells me we're going to go lower. And so I'm going to look for a trade in here. I might have already missed it because I was quite tired when we did the last few candles yesterday. But yeah, this could be a spike up that sweeps, forms a swing, and then continues downward. So let's just see what we will do here. That's the 4-hour close. In all honesty, I'd rather look for a trade here. this can go. Spike up, please spike higher. Please give me more, because this does not sweep anything. A lot of aggregation at this point. Historically, again, very reactive level. As you can see, very reactive level. Broke through, found support twice, came back, broke through, resistance support, a lot of touches here. Found support, broke through, and again here, and so naturally that's going to happen here as well. That's what I love about these levels. They will still remain active going forward. So let's just continue to observe. Again, going lower slowly, and there we go. We filled this level beautifully. While respecting this. We closed at the level. Or did we close through? What is this? 140.90, 148.9, so that's not closed through. But still, interesting level to look for trades. Strong reaction to the downside. Not getting any entry. Okay, so we've closed through here. That tells me that this is the next tested level that has not been closed through. And this one as well. So that's what I want to be aware of. One second, I'm quickly going to turn off the heating. All right, so let's look for nice spike up that sweeps at the EQ. And I want to see a swing form. And I want to see continuation to the downside with an LGC that closes through the swing, which we're not getting. So what has happened? We swept up, so respecting that level. But we also should be conscious that we swept this level. So I'm just going to wait on the 4-hour and see. Let's see, what does it look like on the 30? So that's a second sweep. That's a sweep. Another sweep down. Another sweep. Swing formed. And there's your LGC to the upside. Okay, so we swept this level a few times. But Still want to see a reversal of this level first. Yeah. And there's the reversal. That's not an LGC through, but it works for me. And so I'm going to look for a long from here to where, yeah. Honestly, just to here. It's probably going to move very quickly once we get the entry. If we get an entry at all. Okay, new 4-hour close. I'm just going to check one thing. Was there an entry in here? Nope. Nope. Nothing. So a new candle. Nothing. Okay, that's interesting. And let's see how that lines up. So we might get an entry here. Okay, we closed through the level. But that failed to go higher. So that's just some aggregation. This could be a sweep that forms a swing with the LGC to the upside. But I'm going to wait. That's a nice spike down. That sweeps that high. Now I'm still looking for a long, preferably into this candle at the EQ, sweeping this. Okay, nothing. Again, we're back at that level of resistance, or like, not resistance, but a very reactive level. A lot of aggregation happening at this level. There we're getting a nice spike down. Still interested in this area. This is nice. Sweeping the high of this candle. Failure to continue. We need to go lower to find more liquidity to continue up. Does this sweep anything? No. Okay. It looks so primed to go. There we go. Nice spike down. Just does not sweep anything yet. No, I didn't take it. Could have taken this, but I'm not going to. Let's see what the 4-hour did. Probably not a continuation. No, but that is an LGC. So I'm going to hunt in here now for any new entry to here. Yeah, so this was your sweep swing formed LGC. So we could have taken this. I did not, so I'm not going to take it. That's the 4-hour close. Beautiful new LGC after some aggregating. Aggregating? I should listen to this. This is still my downfall while backtesting. I go too quickly. Okay. There we go. Finally closed through this level. So now we're on to go here, which was confirmed here already. Made a lower, yeah, a lower high, higher low, I mean. And this is now a level that I want to look to trade within. Too bad I didn't get an entry here. There should be something here. Let's see if I take this whole area. Honestly, the only thing would be this little spike, sweep, swing formed LGC through. Then if you want to be sure, you take this. But it doesn't sweep any new liquidity. I should say untouched. So for now, we're going to look in this candle to take it higher while being conscious of the fact that there's another strong reactive level coming right up. Spike down. That's a nice spike down. Just does not sweep anything. Respects the EQ though. Okay, we reversed this candle. So I'm going to look for trades within here. I will remove this. And I should be conscious of this level. For fuck's sake. Should have listened to my rules. Because internally I was like, okay, this is technically a sweep that, look, it sweeps this. Tapping into well, no, it doesn't. But it sweeps this, swipe down, spike down, it sweeps, forms a swing, puts in an LGC to the upside. That's what I should have taken. I'm not going to take it because I didn't. Why did I not do it? should have this in all caps to still that's a perfect setup. Well, not visually, but it follows exactly the rules. So let's see where that would top out. Immediately filled. Okay. So let's see. We're gonna get another chance. That's a beautiful spike that sweeps, forms the swing. And now I want to see continuation. Let's see if we get it. Nope. There it is. Nope. Spike down, that sweeps, forms a swing. I'm going to take this. Even though that's a very big stop loss. What the fuck? And I'm also aware that this is a very reactive level, so we could even spike lower. Let's keep an eye on the 4 hour. Okay, so let's have a look. This is one loss. And then price spike down, sweeps, forms a swing and puts in an LGCR. On the 4 hour, does it close to the EQ? It does. But technically that's still a valid entry. Even though I would like to see a stronger reaction to the upside, I'm still going to take it. And they're filled 2.5. Want to stretch this along and mark this. Fill the level once more. Spike down that sweeps, forms a swing. Failure to continue, we want to go lower, that does not sweep anything. So then I want to see it at the EQ. That's a beautiful spike down. No sweep though. And there we go. Close through the level once more. Yeah. So looking for levels. Spike down. That's a sweep. That's a swing formed. Strong swing. I don't see continuation. It's not at a level though. I would love to see it at the EQ. So a little bit lower. It spikes down, it sweeps, it forms the swing, and it continues. Yes. But it's not at the EQ. So I'm going to take this. I'm just going to take it like this. That's why we backtest, just collecting data. There we go. Trade filled. And that's a new candle. Okay. This is also why you backtest. It's like a live form of journaling. I think it's very important in trading to journal. And I just followed my rules, even though my gut said I want to see another kind of candle to the upside. But again, just follow your rules. If you're consistent with that, your data, then all you have to do is follow your rules. You don't have to think. You just follow the fucking exact rules that you made up. And that's the hardest part. That combined with creating the whole system. Because first you have to understand what is actually happening here in these candles and create a rule set around them. But let's see, zoom out a little. Okay, so we haven't really made a new high. Again, still this level. But once price moves, it can move really quickly. And momentum is starting to tick up. So, okay, took the high, want to go lower. That does not sweep anything. That does not. Okay, trickling down. Closed with a sweep of the high, or rate of the high. Yes, so I would love to see some entry at the EQ. Okay. Nice spike down. That sweeps, forms a swing. Does it sweep? It doesn't. 5750. 5753 does not sweep. No, not taking it because it doesn't sweep, but that is a good entry. Let's see on the 4 hour. Ooh, okay. A move is coming up. And that's the move I was talking about. Usually when you see a candle that takes both sides of the range, it's prepping to do something. Aggregated within the range of the candle and then you shoot up. So as I said, that was a good entry, but it just does not follow my rules. And yeah, that's the thing I'm still struggling with. It's like when to trust my gut and when to just follow the exact rules. And that's a real thing. And I'm curious if any other traders that are watching this, if you struggle the same, because you have a rule set that's proven statistically that you're profitable, But then the more, you spend thousands of hours on these charts, and you get like a gut feeling, because you see this happening so many times. You get a certain gut for, okay, this is a good entry, but it doesn't follow one specific part of your rule set. Then do you take it or not? And that's the new challenge I'm facing. Like, the better I get, just facing the issue of when to listen to the gut and when to not listen to the gut. But that would have been a really good entry at the EQ, form the swing, LGC to the upside. It just does barely not sweep this, but no. I wanted to say it probably sweeps on like another exchange. But the more important part is we created a new high and we're currently on our way there. So this is where we look for trades. Spike down, that sweeps, forms a swing, no continuation. Okay, we just put in an LGCR. So we should be aware of this level. The lower, the hornier I get for these entries. But I would love to see something at the EQ now, or lower. Nice spike. That's sweeps, forms a swing. And it continues. Let's see. That's beautiful. Spike, that sweeps, forms a swing with an LGC. It doesn't put in an LGCR, but my rule is an LG. It does put in an LGR, and that's my rule. It just does not put in LGCR. But as the chart says, follow the fucking rules. I'm gonna give it a little bit of space here. I'm gonna be extra, and then just take it up to okay, maybe don't do this. If it's a loss, I'll take another entry. There. Filled the trade, filled the level as well that we finally reached. Let's already mark the next level of interest. And let's see what we do here. Close through. Barely though. We're going to look for trades within that level. Spike down, that sweeps, forms a swing. Want to go lower, close back down the level. Let's see, that's the LGCR, still valid, my drawings. Spike down, sweep, swing formed. Failure to continue, want to go lower. Put in LGC down, so we're definitely going close to that level. Let's mark that. Sweep, swing formed, failure to continue. Another sweep, swing formed. Wow. That's your spike. That sweeps, forms a swing. Closes through the level. All right, so as of now, to me, that means we're going to go there. I'm going to take off this and this. And I'm going to mark this. Look for a short. Okay, we don't get an entry, but our directional bias was correct. We filled this level. Let's see. And we still know that we'll still be going higher to this level later on. So I'm just going to wait now, see what price will do. Form a swing. Put in LGC to the upside. I want to see continuation on that. There we go. So now I'm going to be longing in here and in here. Yeah. The lower the better. One thing before I do that, let's see. Gotta remember to breathe. Yes, that's perfect. So it sweeps while respecting the previous swing cue that closed through this level. Yep. Spike down, that sweeps, forms a swing, failure to continue. let's see what happens. Is it a second sweep? Yes, it is. Okay, we want to go lower. That's a sweep. Swing formed. Not really any continuation. There's the continuation taking that long. Okay, not really a good high risk reward trade, but let's just take it. Okay, there is first of all a loss. And then that's your second spike down that sweeps at the EQ, forms a swing. And there's your continuation. So that's going to be my second entry. That's your stop loss. I'm going to take it higher to, let's see, at least 2. Because why not? I'm going to take it to 2, adjust it in a bit. Oh wait, I can adjust it here. That's actually a loss. I should have taken it just to the level or to 1. That's my mistake. Let's see, if I took it to 1, that would have been filled actually. Okay, I didn't. So we're close to this level, reverse, and are on our way here because that's now the second untested level, which we did fill. Okay. We close to there, so that means we're gonna go here to this level. I'm gonna call it a day here. Let's see, where did we start? Where did we start? We filled this. I think we started here. So we have -1 plus 2.5. That's 1.5 plus 2.5. That's 3.5. That's 4. Plus 2.5 is 6.5 minus 2, 4.5 in total. 4.5% in how long? 23 days. So still a good month. That's a good, yeah, that's still an okay salary actually. Of course, depending on the capital that you trade with, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.